The chocolate milk at the Tombs is a little chalky, and the guards at Sing Sing are mean. A prison isn't supposed to be like a bed and breakfast. Hey guys, I'm Patrick Jones for Buzz60. Yelp is mostly used by people to review restaurants or hotels, and it can get some pretty weird posts like this guy who compares a strip club to a Chipotle. Not really a selling point. But now the site is getting prison reviews from lawyers and former inmates themselves, which of course are great. Besides the poor chocolate milk at the Manhattan Correctional Facility, you also apparently don't want to mess with those officers. Well, yeah. There's also a lot to learn about the system. Like one reviewer who says that you should say you're Jewish no matter what. His reasoning is that you'll get weekly matzah and grape juice. And you'll also get some time to meet with the rabbi who will let you use his phone. Well, now that you told everyone he won't, Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.